All right, everyone, welcome back. We're diving headfirst into the world of AI and content creation today.
AI and content creation.
Yeah, exactly. And, this is for everyone, really.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone who's, creating content online or wants to be or is thinking about it.
Yeah.
Because we're looking at a specific tool today called machined AI.
Okay.
So we're going to really unpack what this tool can do, how it works,
Right.
and, really what it means for all of us who create content.
I think it's so fascinating to see how these AI tools are like changing the game for content creation.
Totally, yeah.
Yeah, and offering solutions to some of the age-old
Oh,
struggles
I know.
that content creators have had forever.
I mean, we all know that feeling, right? Where you just need to crank out blog post after blog post,
Yeah.
social media update, maybe even a script or two,
Mm-hmm.
and it just feels like it's never ending.
It's a lot.
And machined AI is saying, hey, we can make this easy.
Well, you can make this easier.
But is it really all it's cracked up to be? That's what we're going to look at today.
That's the question.
So let's break it down.
Yeah.
One of the things that they're really kind of pushing as a big selling point is this idea of SEO-optimized content.
Go.
Now, we all know how important SEO is to get our content seen.
Right. Absolutely crucial.
But what's interesting to me is what are the specifics here?
Yeah. What makes their approach different?
What makes them different? Yeah.
Right.
From what I've been able to gather, it sounds like it goes a little bit deeper than just basic keyword stuffing.
Okay. That's good.
It's not just throwing keywords in every other sentence.
Yeah.
It's almost like they're analyzing successful content that's already out there
Oh, interesting.
in your niche, and looking at things like semantic relevance and user engagement.
So it's actually trying to understand the context
Yes.
behind what people are searching for.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So it's
Okay.
not just about here are the keywords, let's throw them in.
Yeah.
It's more about understanding.
It's like, what are people really looking for when they type that in?
Yes.
Yeah.
What do they want to see?
Exactly.
And then on top of that, there's this whole thing about machined AI being able to adapt its tone and style.
Oh, okay.
So you could theoretically use it to write a very formal white paper
Interesting.
and then switch gears and have it write a super casual social media post,
Wow.
all while maintaining your brand voice, which I think is really cool.
That is really interesting.
Mm.
So it's almost like it's drawing on this massive database of
Right.
writing samples to kind of nail those different tones.
Yeah. I don't know if it's natural language processing or
Yeah.
what exactly it is, but
That level of nuance could be really powerful for
Use-
businesses or creators who are managing a lot of different platforms.
absolutely. And then the other thing that I thought was really interesting for,
Yeah.
those of us who feel like we're constantly drowning in content we need to produce
Mm.
is this bulk writing feature.
Oh, tell me more about that.
Oh my gosh, it's like having a team of writers at your fingertips.
Okay, so it's about efficiency,
Efficiency, yeah.
getting that volume up.
Absolutely. And, I'm all about that. I want to free up my time.
Yeah.
But, it does make you think, what happens to the human element in all of this?
That's the question, right? What happens to us?
Yeah.
The human creators.
Right.
Is AI going to become a collaborator,
Yeah.
helping us do what we do best, but faster?
Right.
Or is it going to become a competitor?
Ooh, that's a great question.
Right.
That's the question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because I think, tools like this could really free us up to focus on the more creative and strategic side of things,
Absolutely.
But we also have to be mindful of, the downsides.
You do.
Right.
Of course.
What are we sacrificing?
Yeah, and I think the future of content creation really might be this, blend
Interesting.
of human and artificial intelligence. And it's all about finding that balance, right?
Right.
How do we make sure that we're not sacrificing quality and authenticity
Totally.
just for the sake of speed and volume?
Such a good point. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's something we really need to think about.
Yeah,
So we
absolutely.
can go forward in this new world of AI-powered content.
We have to decide how we're going to use these tools
Yeah.
and make sure that we're staying true to our own creative voice.
Totally.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I love that. Well, thank you all so much for joining us on this deep dive.
Yeah, this was a good one.
I think this is going to be a topic that we continue to revisit as things evolve.
Absolutely. A lot to unpack here.
But for now,